Justice Court is where you're most likely to have your first court experience in Utah.
So if you live in Duchesne, then the Duchesne Municipal Court would handle speeding tickets, handle minor misdemeanors, handle small claims matters and stuff like that.
Sounds simple, but in many cases, Justice Court can be just the first stop.
The individual who steals a candy bar at 7-Eleven, the case gets filed currently in the Justice Court, and if they're convicted, they could, if they desire, appeal it, and then the case starts all over again in a district court. The reason for that is because justice courts are not courts of record.
That's right. If you appeal, the whole process has to start over in district court. That's because there's no permanent record of what happens in justice court. So you and the prosecutors have to go through the same trial again, and that costs time and money.
It's a resource problem, right? We're having a prosecutor file a case and take it through the process again in a district court. That's taxpayer dollars that are paying for the prosecutors and the judges to take it through that process.
And there's another problem. What happens in justice court can vary from one county to the next.
Part of the idea is that because you have justice courts that are all over the state in various cities and counties, that the way they administer those is not necessarily consistent. You know, some courts have a bigger budget, some courts have bigger facilities, some cities have more judges.
So what do we do about it? Senators Pitcher and Cullimore are part of a committee that met at the Capitol Tuesday to talk about possible solutions.
Either it's a new system within the district courts or a new state court system altogether.
It's all in the idea stage right now, but members of the committee agree something needs to change.
I'll make the motion that we favorably recommend this joint resolution supporting justice court reform to the interim judiciary committee.
On the Hill,
All in favor say aye. Aye.
Lucy Nelson, Fox 13 News, Utah.